Hello and welcome Forex traders. We are looking at the pound Swiss on the 1 hour time frame this morning. I've just opened a sell order on this pair. Actually, I put a limit order to sell as the market was pulling back so I could look at other things. Okay, I teach you to do that so that you can be in more than one place at the same time because you already know where you're going to enter. You just have to wait on the market to get there. Instead of sitting here watching it and second guessing yourself, you set up the limit order, the pending order, to execute your entry when the market hits there. And as you can see, it just executed my order, and I'm in the market to the downside on this outer zone bounce signal. Okay, it's a stop hit on this level. However, if you look further back, and that's what I'm going to show you here, we have two hits on this level, and we're right at the outer zone. I'm going to consider this an outer zone bounce, and when that happens, you can usually expect that it's going to move all the way down and start channeling. Okay, so I expect to see the market move down into this level, right through here, of this outer zone signal right here. Okay, that's why I kept my 2 times profit as we teach above the most logical, the most recent bounce or support in this case. So it would be this zone, and the truth is I wanted to keep it to the top end of this, just in case we see a little spike here and the market decides to take off to the upside. All right, so that was why the deep pullback. Plus, you have to consider when you see candles of this size, when in contrast to the rest of what you're looking at on the screen, those are equal to some of the largest, if not larger than. Okay, so when you see that, you can expect a pretty deep pullback. Okay, look right here at this signal here, at this engulfing signal. The next candle, look how deep it pulls back. Okay. Look at this large candle. There is a pretty good, that's about a 25% pullback. So you can expect a pretty good pullback. I went for about, I don't know, maybe 30% of the whole move on my entry, just enough to keep the target right above this level. Okay, our 2 times profit target has been reached right here as the market pushes right down through support. Okay, it looks like what happened on the opening of the market this week. We had a slight pullback, retesting this level of resistance, and then off we go to the downside. It failed, and it failed miserably. Okay, we broke through this support, and a support level here that I marked from back on about the 13th of January. Okay, so a couple weeks back. All right, so you can see how powerful this really is when you have a valid signal at an outer zone telling you that, hey, all the traders are taking a short here, and you better jump on board with them, because a lot of times this happens. And I only consider this valid at the outer zone that's formed by a prior level being established, as well as the outer Bollinger Band being rejected. Okay, because that is an overextended market to begin with, and when you have the forces of the outer zone and the signal on your side with the overextended market, you have a high probability trade. And other traders are looking at this, they're jumping onto the short side, so you might as well get on and ride it you know, for your 2 times profit. Okay, so it's just as simple as that. Watch for these outer zone bounce signals and learn to trade them effectively.